I started following you 1 year ago. I was a mechanic. Money is everything, okay? You buy everything if you want, but it's not important. For me, important is the strategy and the inner circle.
You took what, $30
to 450, and so after 400 to 1,600.
just introduce yourself, where you're from, bro, what you were doing before you started trading.
So my name is Giorgio. I live in Italy, but my citizen was as a Romanian. I'm 26 years old, and I started following you 1 year ago when I meet you in Venice. I remember this moment because for me it was a special moment because I understand your professionality and your dedication in this job. And you transmit me. So at the moment, I'm mechanic cars. And for me, my job was a prison because I remember when I see your live, when I listen your YouTube, your channel, I was at work and noticed the same thing. This year I leave my work and in April. And because I want to be 100% this job, this trading for me is a professionality, is a real job, and I trust him for us. So my experience, I think I follow everything you say, you learn, you knowledge. I learn for I don't know, to the basic, intermediate, so difficult. I studying the only things with we explain or you. I study so much.
Note takers or money makers. Good stuff, bro. So
Exactly.
what was your job you said before trading?
Car mechanic. I was a car mechanic.
Nice, nice. And how long was it that you were trading for?
1 year.
1 year now. Oh, so it's just been 1 year now. Yeah, I saw your profile picture. It's me and you, that profile picture in Venice. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Leo took that picture.
This channel is take a picture of this guy. This guy was, I remember.
So you tried trading. You've traded a little bit before the inner circle. What was your trading like before inner circle? Did you have any challenges before or any frustrations in your trading?
So first, the inner cycle, I'm so serious with you. I take trading in small because I make so I don't know, 100 euro a day, and for me it's the top. It's okay, it's good. So I have my job, I have my money about trading. But when the inner cycle, when you open the inner cycle, I realize this is occasionally. This is the perfect time when the things occur, and for me is perfect because I ask myself, what can I do to do more? What can I do to do the next level on trading? And when you open inner cycle, I needed to do because I so frustrated because for me is yes, it's good. I don't know, 100 euro a day is okay, but I know can I do more of this? And when I started to inner cycle, I understand that this is a good opportunity, and I multiply my result or 10% or more.
Sounds like you had like more of a breakthrough with your trading, kind of like more confidence built in yourself, like a mindset shift. That's what it sounds like. That's good stuff, good stuff. So we have some good testimonials from you, like your results. It's crazy. I seen your results. We already know. We're gonna share them with the group and stuff. You took what, $30 to what, twice? What was it? $30
to 450, and so after 400 to 1,600.
And then you did it again, right?
Yes. More time, more after, yes.
So what was the mindset behind that, or like the risk management behind that? Was it just like, you know, I'm gonna see what I can do with my $30, looking for one trade? Were you really patient, just waiting for one good setup?
Yes, because I think I adoption your mindset. Less is more. So for me, less is more is very important because at the beginning uh, I think you to need trading so well if you need more money, no? Because this is the 100% of the think of the person. No? The person think if you do trading very well, you need more money. But I wanted to cut this this mindset because for me is not need your more money to do a lot of money or trading, and I demonstrate myself and other person when which contact me. And the mindset is very importantly because when I do this type of trading, I see more time on the market. I'm so watching for the zone for a reversal. So I'm waiting many time, but it is with a good result for this.
Yeah, I'm seeing, looking at the screenshot right now. You took $30 to 480, and then the 480 1600, and then $39 to 40. Yeah, again, and then the 116 layout. Yeah, I just saw that screenshot. Another flip, and then today, damn, yeah, good stuff, bro. I wanted to ask you what your mindset was behind that. What your risk tolerance is. $30 a lot of money to you, or is it just like, nothing that you're like, okay, if I lose it, I'm gonna do it again the next week? What was the mindset there? Is it a lot of money to you, or it's like, no, it's a little bit that I can afford to lose?
So at the beginning, I'm so sincerely before the inner cycle open, I think money is very important. I saw $50 or $100 when I lost money. I'm so very bad or I'm not trading. But when the time I understand money is not important, but it's important the strategy. Because money come and you if you win one lost is not important. It's important to make a decision in the market and you are sure on your decision and maintain your plan. Because for me the plan is very important. When I take $30, I need okay. So come on, if you good bad is not good better is okay, but is this approach of money is everything okay? You buy everything if you want, but it's not important. For me, important is the strategy. And thank you at the inner circle and your live. So I'm so sure to my decision in the market.
Like strategy works. Yeah, it sounds like, because I saw your screenshots and I was like, he had to have a plan around this. He couldn't, it just wasn't scalping or everyday trading to go from that to that and do it a couple times. I was thinking myself, there had to be like more planning around it and mindset behind it. So it was good to hear that from you. I'll tell that to the group. Even share that with the group. Write that stuff out. Maybe one day on an inner circle Saturday or Sunday, you can jump on and even tell them about the experiences because it can motivate a lot of people too. But good stuff, good stuff.
Yes, the people that text me on the school.
No way. Look at
Italian
that.
people ask me, "Where are you from, Italy?"
They're like, we gotta meet. What are you doing?
Yes.
They're like, what are you doing, bro? Show me.
Yes.
Oh, that's funny. That's hilarious. So, if someone was thinking about joining the inner circle, what would you tell them? Because when you messaged me, you were quick to act. You were like, I need in. I want to join right away. Whether they were a new trader or an experienced trader, what would you tell them? What would you recommend?
So I recommend because for me, I texted the other time. For me, is the best. Is you are the best trader when I see in my life. For sincerely, it's not because I have a result or I have another to ask, but so sincerely is the best time when you stay and the best mood to learn and the technology where you take here is not you not find it in anywhere. So is impossible to find this type of information and this type of dedication. You follow the people, you text the people, you send the idea, you are the live, you are very many materials to learn, to study, and to do better every single day for me, for my part, for my. And at the beginning, my think is I'm not many materials. I don't know what are you study, so for me it's difficult. But when I enter in the inner cycle, I understand is impossible to not have a result in the trading if you are here. And I proud of myself, and I'm so happy for this reason.
Good stuff, bro. I'm happy to see the progress early on with you. It's good to see. That's good. Inner game, it's more than money.